What if your lawn could take care of itself? Like fully. No wires, no babysitting, no weekend sacrifices. Because what I've been testing this week might actually be the closest thing I've seen to that. This is the Segway Navimow X430. Oh, and honestly, this thing doesn't feel like a mower. It feels like a machine that just happens to cut grass. So I pulled this out of the box, and right away, you notice something. This is not one of those small plastic toy-looking robot mowers. This thing is wide. It's planted. Big wheels, solid body. It looks like it belongs outside permanently. And that's kind of the point, because this mower is built for people with real lawns, slopes, uneven ground, thick grass, the kind of yard where most robot mowers just give up. Now here's where it gets interesting. Setup. Usually this is where robot mowers lose people. Wires, digging, frustration, not here. I dropped the dock, plugged it in, opened the app, tapped one button, and it just started mapping the lawn by itself. No perimeter wire, no complicated setup, no, wait, why isn't this working? It just works. And that alone already puts it ahead of a lot of competitors. Now let's talk about how it actually moves, because this is where the X430 feels completely different. This thing has full all-wheel drive, plus a dual suspension system. So instead of struggling on rough terrain, it actually leans into it. I ran it on a steep slope, close to 40 degrees. And instead of slipping or spinning, it just climbed. Smoothly, no drama. And even when it turns, it doesn't tear up your grass. That zero-turn steering is super controlled. No digging, no ugly marks. It's weirdly satisfying to watch. And then there's the cutting. You've got dual cutting discs, 12 blades, wide 17-inch coverage. So instead of inching along like smaller robots, this thing actually gets work done. You can see the difference in each pass, and when the grass gets thick, that's where the power shows up. It doesn't choke, it doesn't slow down awkwardly, it just keeps going like it planned for this. But what really surprised me was how smart this thing is. It's not just following a random pattern, it moves in clean, structured lines, like someone mowing professionally. And the navigation is crazy accurate. Even near trees, fences, tricky areas, it knows exactly where it is. No wandering, no confusion. Obstacle handling is another level too. It sees things early. People, pets, random objects. It slows down, adjusts, and just glides around them. Nothing jerky, nothing risky. And yeah, if you've got pets running around, that peace of mind matters. Now, let's be real for a second. This isn't a mower for everyone. If you've got a small, flat lawn, this is probably overkill, like bringing a tank to mow a backyard. And yeah, it sits in that premium category. So it's not exactly cheap, but at the same time, it feels like you're buying something that replaces effort, not just a tool, because once it's set up, you stop thinking about mowing. It goes out on schedule. It cuts consistently. It returns, charges, and picks up exactly where it left off. You don't manage it. It just happens in the background. And I think that's the biggest shift here. This doesn't feel like a gadget you babysit. It feels like something that quietly takes a job off your plate and never gives it back. So, is this the ultimate robot mower for 2026? Honestly, for large lawns, slopes, and people who want real automation, it's one of the strongest options I've tested. It's powerful, it's smart, and more importantly, it's reliable. And that's the part that actually matters long term. If you've got a big yard and you're tired of spending weekends behind a mower, this might be the upgrade that actually changes that. All right, I'm curious now. What kind of lawn are you working with? Flat? Sloped? Absolute chaos? Drop it in the comments. And if you're into smart tech that actually saves time, you already know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.